one of the issues we're facing in Africa is that, first of all, the CO2 emissions of the continent are a fraction of other developed nations. I think our thermal power plant in Kenya has less emissions than an Airbus A380.
Oh, wow.
And it's providing, it's a core backbone of the energy infrastructure in the country. But on the investment side, I think Africa runs the risk of being the baby getting thrown out with the bathwater as investors are moving towards becoming more and more stringent on where their capital should go for very good reasons. And we have an exclusions list for coal, HFOs being added to it, and there's a number of other industries and I think criteria for what qualifies as a good ESG investment is being sort of filtered down from the investors of BlackRock. Our Danish pension funds are I think very good thought leaders in this space, but we then run the risk of leaving behind sort of the poorer countries that haven't started phase 1 and phase 2 of the development that we've been through in Europe and the US, because we now have to apply the same investment criteria. So for instance, EIB came out last year and basically blanket ban on any gas investments. That is now sort of being filtered through a number of the DFIs, which means that if you're looking at places like Senegal, who have made a large domestic gas discovery, baseload today is coal and HFO, and they cannot mobilize capital from EIB to decarbonize that economy, that power sector. Gas is not a perfect solution, but it's a better alternative than HFO. It's a better alternative than coal. And for Senegal, it's better to use domestic gas from an FX point of view than to import fuel oil. So I think there is a risk there, and there are other examples as well. I don't think anyone needs to go to coal anymore, but certainly I think the gas industry or sort of gas-related infrastructure is facing a challenge as a consequence.